What's up everybody, Mr. Steve here, and I don't want this contest to slip past you guys. I've got a link on the Patreon here, I'll share it in the comments. You can get the isometric room generator on my Patreon. It's an open public post. Just go get it, pick it up free, make a room, and you can submit a render. When you do that, the Discord here, you can follow that link. Check out the contest rules, things like that. You'll see the ongoing conversation. There's a few things here happening. It's early in the contest, so you have a chance to get in and win those win the actual add-ons from not just me, but my collab buddy Sam, who is here. And you can meet everybody in the chat. There's going to be different people who actually do the grading, if you will. And if I go over to the main channel here, you'll see some of these different people that are jumping in the chat. One of them is going to be, well, actually 2 or 3 of them are going to be the actual contest graders. They are professional, very good 3D modelers, quite out of the scope of skill of myself. I just getting pretty good at making add-ons, and I know the Blender interface like nobody's business. But jump over to the Patreon, get the add-on, pick it up, throw a render in, give it your best shot. Every single one of these renders will be given an opportunity to win something. There's like some different prize places as well, or different places for prizes. And I'll see you guys in the Discord chat. Thank you for watching.